the...
All right, so today my wife just went to Best Buy and grabbed this thing up. What is it called?
The Theragun Pro.
I guess it does give you that nice massage. Let me put it on my... Let me give you an example. Let me turn this thing on. All right. So we got that. We found the battery. It was in... Mommy back massage.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
The...
All right, so today my wife just went to Best Buy and grabbed this thing up. What is it called?
The Theragun Pro from Theragun.
Okay. Let's see what you got in there.
Oh,
Theragun.
I wanted to try this.
So this is supposed to what? Massage you, give you some therapy.
Yeah,
Ooh,
it's supposed to soothe like muscle aches. Since I have a lot of tight muscle on my back, I need some relief.
This hand is always good for that. All right.
Anyway, oh wow, it comes with a bag. Look, it's pretty cool.
Okay. What else you got in there?
I think this is the adapter charger, and this is probably the different types of applicator or yeah, that you could use.
Those are,
Comes
I guess,
in like
the head.
yeah, the little bag here.
Okay.
So their packaging is really nice.
Cool.
Let's see. Alright. Let's unbox.
Alright. What do we got here?
Whoa.
Ooh. Oh, I like this.
It's heavy.
It's not bad. So,
Oh yeah. Oh. It's not charged. Oh, we have to put, I think we have to put the
battery?
yeah, in there.
Okay. Where's the battery?
What is it?
I think is this one right here.
Yeah? But it's supposed to insert.
Oh no, this is the charger. So here you get the the stand for the battery charger. Oh yeah. All right. So we got that. We found the battery. It was inside the case in there. So they came with 2 batteries, and that's it. And the charger. And this is the standing charging for the battery, I guess. And that's the kit. And here it is. Let's turn it on. All right. I guess that's how turn on. Ooh, look at this. How fast that thing goes. Oh, a little boy wanna get it. Okay. All right. Let me give him some massage. I'm got mommy back massage.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. Okay, so we got this Theragun. Thera? Okay, Thera. That's how you pronounce it. Theragun. It's actually not bad for me. I don't know. My wife said that it's a little rough on her, but it's actually it's pretty heavy, I have to say. But when you hold it, it feels like, you know, pretty sturdy. And then I guess it does give you that nice massage. Let me put it on my... Let me give you an example. Let me turn this thing on. It's good.
No.
Yeah, it could, you know, release that stress, I would say.
1, 2.
In conclusion, is it worth $800? Let me ask my wife. So, is this gun worth $800?
Maybe
Yes or
not
no?
800. Maybe a little less.
Wait, how much you got this one for? 7 something?
Well, something included.
Oh yes, because the warranty. So
no, 700.
It's $599.
Oh, is it?
Yes, it's $599 at Best Buy, and we bought the warranty with it for 2 years. That's additional like $150 or something like that, and then plus tax came out to around like $730 or something. So I don't know, is it worth getting that package? But it does come with 2 batteries and that stand, and that's it.
It doesn't come with a stand.
But I think the battery stand, not the other stand, the battery stand. But yeah, so that's that for therapy. That's for the unboxing. I hope you guys feel that was informative about this thing. We're gonna try it a little bit more, but like I said, my true opinion, I think getting that, I think the $350 is a better deal.
Yeah, that's why it was sold out.
Yeah, that's why it was sold out, and we have to get this package. But yep, until next guy, I'll see you guys later. And please, if you guys like the video, subscribe, show some love, and let me know your comment. What do you guys like us to do next? We will do it, and I will see you guys later. Bye bye.